Good afternoon and welcome to NYFP. In this week's personal finance segment, we will be talking about insurance underwriting specifically for after taking a medical exam. Joining me now is Michael Keating of Inner Harbor Advisors. Mike, thanks for joining me today.
Thanks, Remy. So we're back talking about insurance.
Well, in one of our prior segments, we talked about the process of taking the medical exam for taking out an insurance policy.
Right.
So can you give us a roadmap of how it works after the exam?
Yeah, so if you're in the process of buying life insurance and you just had the medical exam company come to your home or office, once they've left you, you kind of wonder, well, now what? What's going to happen next? Well, the insurance company is going to receive the results of that medical exam, and they're going to look for two things. They're going to look for any type of financial documents that you can provide, and they're going to look into your medical records. So they request medical records from your doctor and pour through those.
And speaking of records, what do you need to have on hand when this process happens?
You don't really need to have much on hand. Some things that would help speed up the process, things that we found in working with our clients. Inform your doctor that you're in the process of getting life insurance and that the insurance company is going to be contacting the doctor to get the medical records. That we found has been the one area that really can slow down the process between applying and actually getting offered the policy. Doctors' offices, as we all know, can be pretty busy places. When they get a request for medical records, sometimes that's not a major priority for them. And a call from a patient, we found, is the thing that moves that process along a lot faster.
Well, Mike, that's important to keep in mind. And you also said it is important to evaluate yourself. What do you exactly mean by that?
Well, know how much insurance that you're applying for. On the financial side, a life insurance company is in the business of offering you life insurance. They also are, in a way, betting that you're going to stay alive. And so they want to know what their chances are, if you want to really break it down into real specific numbers. So know what your assets are. The life insurance company is going to offer you a policy that is commiserate with, essentially, with your net worth and your income. Those are things that are going to come into play.
And Mike, I'm sure you have some client examples here. Do you have any to highlight what does actually happen after you go through the medical exam?
We do, and one thing for our clients to keep in mind, that we tell our clients to keep in mind, is that anything that you tell your doctor is part of your medical records. So it's important to tell your doctor certain things that you may not feel is important. So, for example, if you quit smoking, tell your doctor you've quit smoking and tell your doctor when that was, and this can be part of your medical record. Smoking is a big issue when it comes to life insurance. Alcohol use. Be upfront with how much alcohol you consume. Medical. It's going to be on your medical records. Life insurance companies want to know about it. The other thing is sleep apnea. This is something that kind of flew under the radar for a while, but if you told your doctor you have trouble sleeping, your doctor may recommend a sleep study. If in your medical records the life insurance company finds that you've been recommended to go take a sleep study and you haven't completed it, the life insurance company is going to be reluctant, if they're going to even offer you life insurance at all, until that sleep study is completed as part of your doctor's recommendation.
Well, Mike, those are some interesting tidbits, so thanks for weighing in on this issue, and thanks for clarifying what does happen after a medical exam.
You're welcome. Thank you, Remy.